good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're viewing this show from. This is a continuation of the ABULA. And ABULA is Ewedu. Ewedu is jute leaf. GBEGIRI is bean stew. And your regular stew. So guys, this is mostly eaten with yam flour, anything flour, plantain flour. So by the time we're done with the Ewedu part of it, which is the jute leaf, I'll revert to the previous video where you see how we make the stew and how we make the GBEGIRI, which is the bean stew. So this is the Ewedu. Yeah, this is the Ewedu part of it. So guys, let me tell you about this Ewedu. I have so much of Ewedu in my garden. This is jute leaf. As at one time, because you believe we made that vegetables are seasonal, right? So I have to take a whole lot of it off, and I don't want them to die like that. So I dried some, I blend some, washed some, put it in the blender, blend some and packaged it. That's all for the Ewedu. People use it for smoothies and like it's medicinal. So guys, today this is the blended frozen one of the jute leaf. So guys, this is it. No preservative, no nothing. The best preservative is to drop it in your freezer. So guys, this is my blended crayfish. Pour it in it. This is so simple and short. This is my locust bean. Some people don't want to see it in it. They would rather blend it with the Ewedu. But I love seeing it in it. So you want to put some little bit of seasoning, it's your choice. But for me, the blended crayfish is enough. Let me use water to wash this one down. Add a little water. So that's all. Let's go cook it on fire. See guys, simple and short. Yes guys, the jute leaf is ready. So the next video, you're going to see us making unripe plantain fufu. So guys, stay tuned and watch all this step by step, so that at the next video where we're going to be making plantain fufu, it's going to be a combo of ABULA and plantain fufu. Thank you for watching guys. Comment on the comment sections and let me know if you enjoyed the meal. I'll see you in another video. Bye.